welcome to Coffee and Kale. Here we are all about everything natural hair, a little bit of vlog, a little bit of lifestyle, but mainly natural hair DIY. That's interesting. Please keep watching. So this week, you guys, I had a realization. I haven't been zhuzhing up my deep conditioner. I have been so in love with Coco and Eve for so long, I haven't added anything to it. And this week, I didn't have any Coco and Eve. And instead of me just doing regular store-bought, we're going to pump it up. I put some amla powder in a Cantu conditioner. I'll let you guys watch me do that. And I put that in. So I'm hoping, because I feel like I've been experiencing a lot of, this is me trying to protect my shirt. I've been experiencing a lot of shedding. I thought I was just in that growth phase where it sheds, you know, I forget what it's called. If I find it, I'll put it across the screen. But it's been like that for at least a couple months now. So I'm updating my conditioner. I put some honey in it, which has humectant powder properties, which basically draws the moisture in from the air. And I use that in my deep conditioner. So we're going to do that this week, get back to more of that DIY so I can retain some length. I feel like I'm kind of at a stagnant state where I haven't really seen any growth for a little while. So we're going to go back to my Ayurvedic, hardcore Ayurvedic procedures. All right, guys, I realized that I don't have any zhuzhed up conditioner. So like I said in the intro, I went in and got my Ayurvedic life back together with my deep conditioner this week, and let me tell you, this is very, very moisturizing. So I had Cantu in the closet, put some tea tree oil in it. This is the last of my Manuka honey. Remember, honey is a humectant, so it pulls in from the air. Put that in the deep conditioner, and I put some almond powder in there, and it just made this deep conditioner so moisturizing. I'm recording this a week later, so this is editing Nicole speaking, and I've now had this in for a week, and my hair is still very, very moisturized. It's very malleable. It just still feels very, very good. So I don't know what happened when I got away from it, because Coco and Eve, I guess I was mesmerized by Coco and Eve, but I'm back to it and I am happy about it. So hopefully we can get some growth going here and extend that growth phase of my hair so I can really get to some waist length action here in the next 8-12 months or so. So I'm going to let you guys watch me put the rest of this together. I'm going to mix it up and then we'll come back here in a second.
Let me tell you about this girl, baby I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be.
Then you know what I realized is that I had to go look at my own video. There's the link to figure out how to zhuzh up my shampoo. I've had it frozen for such a long time that I've just been going to the freezer and popping out bars. Well, I went to the freezer and didn't have a bar. So the link will be below. It was just across the screen here too. Here's me mixing up my shampoo slash conditioning bar, because we're going full on Ayurvedic, guys, so we can get some beast mode hair growth going back. So there's the Aretha powder, the shampoo, the closet shampoo. I put some ashwagandha in it, and then I got this little shampoo bottle from Etsy, and mix it all up, put it in. There's me with my bag on. That's the pre-poo. Gotta love that. And then finally we get our twist out on. So this is You know, I've washed it, I have shampooed, I've deep conditioned, and I still have my frozen twisting cream. I probably have like 4 bars left, so in a couple weeks I'm gonna have to go look at my old video on how I made the twisting cream too. But this is the twist out, and you know, it's how I do my hair for Monday during the week. And here's a little bit of a clean with me. We got to get the kitchen together. Baby girl hopped in to help me make some green juice. And that's it for this week, guys. Yeah, we got it done. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this week. A little bit of green juice making in there for the kale, part of the coffee and kale. And yeah, let's get back on this super Ayurvedic path and see if we can't see some growth. Have a good week.